Which of the following models is developed by Google for generative tasks? A. GPT. B. SPOM. C. Claude. D. Stable Diffusion. Correct answer. B. PaLM. Which is a key advantage of transformer models? A. Requires no data. B. Works only on images. C. Parallel processing and long-range dependency handling. D. Uses fewer tokens. Correct answer C. Parallel processing and long-range dependency handling. What is the main idea behind reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF? A. Making the model smaller. B. Using only GPU training. C. Training the model based on human preferred responses. D. Increasing latency. Correct answer. C. Training the model based on human preferred responses. Which metric evaluates the quality of text generation? A. R superscript 2. B. May. C. BLEU score. D. RMSE. Correct answer. C. BLEU score. What makes generative models pre-trained? A. They're optimized for speed. B. They're trained using images. C. They only work on cloud. D. They are trained on large-scale unlabeled data before fine-tuning. Correct answer. D. They are trained on large-scale unlabeled data before fine-tuning. What is fine-tuning in generative models? A. Compressing a model. B. Adding random noise. C. Adapting a pre-trained model to a specific task using domain-specific data. D. Using a new optimizer. Correct answer. C. Adapting a pre-trained model to a specific task using domain-specific data. What does temperature control in text generation? A. Memory consumption. B. The randomness or creativity of the output. C. Model latency. D. Number of tokens. Correct answer. B. The randomness or creativity of the output. What does a lower temperature value produce in model outputs? A. More errors. B. Random outputs. C. More deterministic and focused responses. D. No output at all. Correct answer. C. More deterministic and focused responses. Which application is not ideal for generative AI? A. Blog writing. B. Medical note summarization. C. Predicting bank loan defaults. D. Marketing content creation. Correct answer. C. Predicting bank loan defaults. What is overfitting in the context of fine-tuning a Gen AI model? A. Model is too small. B. Model performs well on training data, but poorly on unseen data. C. Model uses too many prompts. D. Model does not learn anything. Correct answer. B. Model performs well on training data, but poorly on unseen data. What type of model is DAL-E designed for? A. Text summarization. B. Audio generation. C. Text-to-image generation. D. Code completion. Correct answer. C. Text-to-image generation. What is a transformer block composed of? A. Convolutional and pooling layers. B. Multi-head self-attention plus feed-forward neural network. C. Recurrent cells plus max pooling. D. Decoder and classifier only. Correct answer. B. Multi-head self-attention plus feed-forward neural network. Explanation. Transformer blocks consist of multi-head self-attention mechanisms followed by position-wise feed-forward networks, enabling parallel processing and better context understanding. Which format is commonly used to send prompts to Gen AI models via APIs? A. XML. B. Base64. C. JSON. D. CSV. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Most cloud-based APIs, including Google's PaLM API, accept input in JSON format to structure the prompt and parameters. What does latent space refer to in generative AI? A. GPU memory allocation. B. The interface between model and user. C. The abstract space where models represent and manipulate data. D. The token length of a prompt. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Latent space refers to the learned internal representation where patterns are encoded, allowing the model to generate new but similar content.